Guys, welcome to my channel. Long time no see. So guys, today um we came to the store. We bought this sweater for Chloe, this jacket for Chloe. It's winter, sorry, it's autumn already and it's cold. So we got this jacket for Chloe, and when we got home it was too big, so we had to return it. So I'm just here getting one or two stuff. I don't feel so good, so I won't be doing much vlogging. See you on the next clip. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Chloe, bye, 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 bye. Ouch, ouch. Guys, good morning. So it's been like ages. It's been a long time I've not vlogged, apart from the reaction videos I have been uploading. So I think sorry about that. I think right now we are fully back. I'll resume vlogging alongside with my reaction video. How have you guys been? How have you guys been? How is life? How is things? How is family? So guys, I hope I continue. I hope I have the strength to continue vlogging, because I haven't done this in a while and I feel like I'm even forgetting myself. It's funny, right? So today, well, yesterday in the store we got a winter jacket for Chloe. It's over there. Let me show you guys. So we got this winter jacket for Chloe. Okay. I love it. It's so beautiful. And we got a bigger size, so we had to take it back. So we took it back and got this one, which is a smaller size. And I did a little shopping. I did not vlog it because since Chloe started walking, guys, she does not want to stay in a stroller. She wants to walk around, and you have to keep your eyes on her because who is that person that said the first stage of the child's birth, that first few months is difficult. Guys, this toddler stage will drive you crazy. I tell you, it's so hard. You have to scream, you have to say no, you have to say don't do this. And the funniest thing is that they will not even answer you. They prefer to eat what is on the floor than what you give them in the plate. Children are so funny. So guys, today I don't know how my day will be, but I shall take you guys along. I am not doing anything interesting. So tomorrow, no, I think tomorrow or next tomorrow, 31st is Halloween, and first and second, we have it's All Saints and All Souls Day, so we have to go to the cemetery, we have to go to the church. I don't know if this vlog will be maybe week as in days in my life, weekly vlog, whichever way. Please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So yesterday we got sweets because it's Halloween, and even though you're not celebrating and all that, kids will come to your door to knock for you to give them a treat. So we got sweets and chocolate, a lot of them, to give them when they come. So what else? Okay, I need to talk about my hair. This hair is barely 3 weeks. I don't know what to say. I think braids is not for me because I don't know. Mommy Gaia, if you are watching this, you see when you were telling me that I should leave this braid for a long time. This hair is just 2 weeks. You can see me because I have this undergrowth hair that will just mess up everything for the first few days after braiding my hair. It's crazy. I love braiding my hair, but when my hair gets to this stage, I feel so welcome to Chloe. You just finished eating. Come and say hi. So the hair, I don't really know what to do about this. My hair is crazy. I don't know if I should stop braiding. Frida has left Zabji. Mommy Gaia is not here. Who will be braiding my hair for me? I love to braid. Chloe, please now. Please. Stop it. Okay? Who will be braiding my hair for me? I'm just... God will help me. Come and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. See your hair. I'm not supposed to raise you up like that. You're not wearing anything under. Say hi. Yeah, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say hi. You are eating. Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, say bye. Bye. Hi guys. So we are going for a walk. We are going for a walk. Oh. Where? What? Baby, what did you say? Yeah, my husband, all family, because his dog is going. His dog, our dog, no, his dog is coming along. So he said all family is going for a walk. So we're going for a walk. I don't know where my husband is taking us, but I know this walk is going to it's going to be a long one. So guys, come with us. Chloe, say hi. Hi. Madam is eating biscuits. She does not have our time. Alright guys, so continue to enjoy the vlog. I need to push Chloe's stroller. I can't record because my husband is carrying his dog. So continue to enjoy the vlog.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still the one, you're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. Still the one, you're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight.
This is why I don't trust my husband when he says let's go for a walk. My legs are hurting me. I have never walked past this place since I came to Poland. We always with a car. We always pass this place. See me now walking. I am tired. Milo is definitely enjoying himself. Chloe, she's just sitting, eating and eating. My husband doesn't get tired of walking. And me, my legs are hurting. I am not feeling my legs again. See my legs. Bardzo, bardzo boli. I am not feeling my legs again. We move, we'll continue. Guys. Hi guys, so I just got back from the store. I couldn't vlog that because Chloe's new stroller is difficult to move it and at the same time record, which is not a good one. So I just got back from the store. I went to get Chloe's pampers. We forgot to get the pampers on Saturday. You know, stores on Sunday do not open in Poland. Stores do not open in Poland on Sunday, so I had to go to the store to get it because our pampers was finished. And I'll be showing you guys what I got. Just pampers, sausage and milk. I think that's all. And a package arrived. I don't know what it is because I'm expecting a lot of stuff, so I don't know which of them. But I got an email, so probably is one of the wristwatch I ordered. Maybe I think it is the wristwatch I ordered. And what else? I think that's all. Tomorrow is Halloween. Kids will be coming to knock, so I'll be taking out my braids. It's less than 3 weeks, and you see how rough it is. So I'll be taking out the braids. I don't know if I'll be vlogging that. And I'll be pouring the sweet and chocolate we got into a little basket against tomorrow Halloween, so that when kids just come to knock on your door, you just give them the sweet. So I think that's all. So continue to enjoy the vlog. This is Chloe pampers. And this is the package that arrived. The sausage. Chloe, stop screaming. That's a Chloe. And milk, and this is the milk I take. It tastes nice. So this is the milk, my milk for coffee, my chocolate drink, whatever. This is the milk I use, and this is for Chloe as well. So that's all I got. Let me be sorry, mother. Let me. I can't find my scissors. Very good. My scissors is down there. I'm just acting lazy. Wow, this is nice. So I got this. the spray bottle for your oil when you are grilling and all that. So nice, wow, and beautiful. I like it. And what else? What else? Okay, and this is, why am I rushing? Okay, the wristwatch. Let me see. Chloe, you are trained. You want to stone me? Leave it, leave it, leave it. Don't do that. Chloe, stop being naughty. Wow. Okay, this is a wristwatch. This is it. Has different handle. It's nice. Yeah. And came with a cable. Wow. It's nice. It's nice. I like it. Wow. Hi guys, so today is November 1st, All Saints Day. We are going to the cemetery, to the graveside of my husband's and late family members, to put candles and flowers, and mass is done in the cemetery, as you can see right now.